If you are expecting, were you aware that oral health starts at birth for babies? And it starts with you? It is important that expecting mothers are set up with a dentist and do their normal dental cleanings every 6 months. Also, brushing and flossing twice a day. Pregnancy can cause multiple symptoms and conditions that affect our teeth. So do not be alarmed and consult with your dentist. Once your child is born, it is important to know gum health starts at birth, after the first feeding. It is important to wipe their mouth after every feeding with a mouth wipe, microfiber towel, silicone finger brush, or sponge. This will create a healthy environment for their teeth to emerge in. Once the first tooth emerges, it is important to schedule your child's first dental appointment. Either way, your child should see a dentist by their first birthday. Here at Premier, we offer an oral health kit for moms and babies. The kit has everything you need for yourself and your baby. The oral health kit offers an adult toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. Also, a silicone finger brush for your child's gums, a child starter toothbrush once your child's first tooth emerges, and a toddler toothbrush once your child has a couple of teeth. Join Tootie's Tots Tooth Team for a healthy smile for you and your child. Let's run down our Tootie's Tots checklist for a healthy smile. If you are an expecting mother, please ensure that you are set up with a dental provider and you attend your regular cleanings. Brush and floss at least twice a day. Consult with your dentist about the symptoms and conditions caused by pregnancy that can affect your oral health. Once your child is here, remember, oral health starts at birth. Ensure that you are cleaning your child's gums after every feeding. This includes using a mouth wipe, silicone toothbrush, microfiber towel, or sponge. Schedule your child's first dental appointment by their first birthday. Once your child's teeth start emerging, first use the toddler toothbrush included in the oral health kit. Then, adult toothbrushes when necessary. For more information or to schedule your child's first dental appointment, contact 352-518-2000 or visit premierhc.org to learn more. Our locations that provide dental services are in Dade City and Port Richey, Florida, as well as mobile dental buses. Check the website to see if you have a dental bus coming to your area soon. This program is partially funded by the Gulf Coast North Area Health Education Center.